It is hot. Something's near it.
Yeah,
Something's near it, Aubrey.
What?
It's gotta be ready.
Just keep watching, I think.
Is it a fish?
I don't know. The dragonflies really like you.
He said, that smells like food. I think it smells the corns right there.
Probably.
Yeah. You're being so
Let's go find the food.
You're being so patient, baby girl.
Go, go,
Go,
go,
go,
go,
go, go!
You gotta be fast.
Oh, go, 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 go! Get it, get it, get it, get it!
Pull, pull.
Get it, get it, get it, get it! Did you get it?
Yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep pulling him.
Oh, you got one!
Here, pull it up like this.
You did it,
Pull it.
Aubrey!
I don't want to. I don't want you to.
Oh,
Whoa!
that's a good
Take
one.
a picture, Mom.
I was recording the whole time.